students, Logan Phillips. Welcome to Module 7, Advanced Data Analysis. Now, in this module, we're going to explore some Excel's most analyzing data and making these advanced features, Control C, Solver, and Intelligence Tool I, are widely used in professional environments to solve complex problems. Now, what we can expect inside this module, we're going to learn a few different things. First, we're going to use Control C to solve for unknown values. Next, we're going to optimize solutions using Solver for scenarios. We're going to create and manage scenarios to outcomes, build and work with a 1 to 2 variable data table. We're going to generate forecast sheets data. We're going to perform some statistical analysis toolpack, which you will need to install inside your Excel, and how to install that. To visualize data using maps or Excel's intelligence tools, including Power Query and data model Power Pivot. Use Power Pivot, our pivot tables before. Power Pivot is a more advanced feature of it, and Power Query and Power Pivot hand them together. Powerful tool. Then we're going to design dashboards, interactive and professional, automatically. Now, these skills are invaluable for anyone working with large data sets and data-driven decisions. Imagine if you're looking at where inventory is going, what you should buy next, purchase stocks, property values, market trends. This is where you start. Now, the assignments for this module, we're going to look at SimBook, Advanced Data Analysis, Path, Advanced Analysis and Insights. We're going to do 4 projects. Chapter assignment, Data Project 9 Solver, and Project 95. We're going to talk about advanced forecasting techniques. Guided Project 10.3 for designing a dashboard with Power Query. We're going to do an independent project 6 with Power Pivot, dashboards for professional vision. And of course, at the end of it, you're going to have 25 question assessment to test your understanding. So for success in this module, you're going to be looking at practicing the goal seek and solvers. One issue, really jump in and dive into the Power Query. That you might even have to go offline into other sections, Google websites to figure out exactly. It is somewhat complicated. We're going to design those interactive dashboards, focus on your professional visualization, effectively science, and of course, if you have any problems, ask. This module is all about tackling your data analysis level. Mastering these tools, you'll be well prepared. Data sets, for your endeavors, for your side hustles. And this all builds into our final module for the semester, which is module 8 now, where we start getting into Power BI, really Excel behind, start tying the skills of Excel into Power BI, which is if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Otherwise, enjoy Module 7, jump in, learn some really cool stuff this module.